Hi guys, welcome to My Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related issues. Today we are back with yet another how-to video. In today's video we will talk about starting a new Zoom meeting or schedule one from your smartphone. Let's head straight into the video now. So to start a new Zoom meeting, launch the Zoom app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the new meeting icon. This is the video camera icon with an orange background right here. Then tap on Start a Meeting. You'll then be taken to the video conference room. If it's your first time starting a Zoom meeting, tap on OK to allow Zoom to access your camera and microphone. Then tap on Participants. You can find this icon at the bottom of the screen alongside Share Screen. Next, tap on Invite. You'll see this on the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap on this, you'll see a pop-up menu with different options on how to invite guests. Choose how you'd want to invite guests, and you can choose to send an email, a text message, invite contacts from your Zoom app, or copy the invite link. I choose to send the invitation here via Gmail. If you tap on Send Email, you will be taken to your email client with a pre-written message. All you have to do is enter the email addresses of the contacts you want to invite. You can also change the text in the body of the email or the subject, and tap on Send. So this is how you start a new Zoom meeting. That's all there is to it, guys. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Leave a like if you found this to be helpful, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.